Here's a quick video on using this page in Desmos. You've already seen from the previous lesson a page similar to this where it was asking you to look at different parent functions by exploring them, turning on and off each of the functions, right, as I'm doing here. Notice here that each function, right, this linear function is called f of x. The quadratic is g of x. So these each have a different variable to name the function. So if you slide down, really the key to this page is to slide down here and you can see a very general form of a function. If I turn this on, surprise, it's a line. And that's because my function is called f here, and up here my f function is a line. And then once you have that turned on, you can play around with the A, the B, the C, and the D, right? You can play around with all the different parameters and see how they affect your graph, right? But if I wanted to look at or investigate, let's say, a square root, right? There's our generic square root, but I want to play with all the parameters. Remember, this is called function j. So now if I slide down here and change my function f to a function j, it quickly changes to that square root function. And now here I can play with the stretch and shrink. What does the c do? Hopefully by now you know it moves it left and right. But here's a quick way to play with your different parent functions and see what the different transformations do to each one.